Hello there. A quick video to show what we think is the best way to install and remove the 405 series cartridges from Epson Workforce WF7300 series printers. The video is applicable to compatibles, refillables and genuines, but we're focusing on refillable because this is what we mainly sell. So let's have a look at a couple of components that you've got on a cartridge. We do show a video showing how to fill and shows the air vent hole that must be open and clear or else no ink will come through. But let's focus on cartridge installation as it is now. You've got a spring-loaded clip here that once you've pushed the cartridge home it will click, you'll hear a click, and that's it, the cartridge should be locked in place. Just make certain that you've got it clicked and make certain that it cannot rise. You've got here, this is the area where you would push, and it clearly says push. You push down there and that's it. You should be able to control the cartridge. Now, there is a guide. This mates with a lug in the ink cartridge compartment. Now, let's not overcomplicate this. All this is making sure that the cartridge is located correctly and pushed home correctly. So let's take you through the best way, what we found. There's your chip. Just gently angle the cartridge slightly forward and you'll find it will locate quite easily. Now I'm going to try and show you this and keep my hands out the way to the best. So here we go. We've angled our cartridge down, we've located it, we've dropped it into place, and all we're going to do now is where it says push, and did you hear that click? I'm going to flip it open again and I'm going to shut up so that you can hear the click. That is important. That will prevent the cartridge, you know the cartridge is not going to rise, because what can happen, and we've had a couple of instances, which is why we've done the video, is where customers haven't fully pushed this home, the cartridge has just risen a bit and you've had ink coming into the printer. We don't want that. So hopefully this will avoid that going forward. So that's it really. Your cartridge is locked in place and you're good to go. Thank you.